Bukit Bintang, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Quite a lively little central location. But here we are at Paradise Restaurant, which is authentic Pakistani and North Indian cuisine. And it's a really nice casual diner that is sure to satisfy your curry craving at a very, very good price. I really like this type of style. You just have a little bit of what you fancy, put it all on the plates, and there's so much to choose from. You've got a lot of vegetables here. I'm not going to explain every dish, but all nice authentic Pakistani food. Some of it looks pretty oily, but you see that it's not cooked to order, so it's resting there. It's quite a busy place, so not too long, but that oil just preserves it. And I just don't understand when people cook at home and use so much oil. Yeah, you get a fabulous picture out of it and it looks really authentic, but there's just no need to do that when you're cooking for just 2 or 3 portions. Got loads of different biryanis there: plain biryani, mutton biryani, beef biryani, types of tandoori, and you've got the naan station here, so everything's cooked fresh, all the naan, so you just have a little bit what you fancy. So the trick is to stir it, and then, yeah, for example, a nice selection of meat, seafood and vegetables there. Then you've got your garnishes here and some desserts. So here I am at Paradise Restaurant in Bukit Bintang, Malaysia, and this is a Pakistani restaurant, and I've gone for, the great thing about it, it's all self-service, and let's talk a little bit. I've got about 12 different things here. We've got some chana masala, we've got some sag, we've got some snake bean with egg, we've got some fish with breadcrumbs. We've got a piece of fried spicy fish here. We've got some dal. We've got some bindi masala. We've got some onion bhaji. We've got some aloo gobi, sabzi chawal, so vegetable rice, a little bit of garnish of onion. Have I missed anything? I think I have a vegetable masala as well. But what an incredible meal. So somebody will be along just to have a quicker assessment of what you've got on your plates, and they'll just pop a bill under the plates. So I'm ready to totally feast out on that.